According to the American Transportation Research Institute, the I-45 and I-69 interchange, just south of downtown Houston, holds the dubious honor of being the city's worst traffic bottleneck. Woohoo! And in the entire United States, it's ranked the fourth most congested. In other words, if you're driving through here, expect a traffic jam. But here's some good news for drivers headed to Southwest Houston. If you're coming from State Highway 288, there's a convenient ramp that connects directly to I-69 before the interchange. This means you can bypass the worst of the congestion altogether. And that's not all. There's also an entrance to the HOV/express lane, which means if you're headed to Greenway Plaza, Hillcroft, Westwood, West Bellfort, or Sugar Land, this route is an absolute must-have in your arsenal. Finally, while this route is useful for all drivers heading northbound on State Highway 288, it's especially beneficial for those starting off from Hermann Park, the Texas Medical Center, or 3rd Ward. In this video, I'll show you how to save 5, 10, even 15 minutes, or more, on your journey to Southwest Houston. Let's get started. First things first, continue north on State Highway 288. As you approach downtown Houston, just past Southmore Boulevard, move into the right lane. Look for the I-69 South/Victoria sign and take the ramp. The ramp takes a sharp curve, so follow the posted speed limit of 35 miles per hour. As you exit the ramp, activate your left turn signal and prepare to merge onto the I-69 main lanes. Although there's plenty of time to move into the far left lane, I recommend doing so as soon as it's safe. Not only is it the fast lane, but it also helps you avoid traffic merging from Spur 527. Move to the left lane. The entrance is just ahead. Congratulations! You've entered the I-69 HOV/express lane. Southwest Houston awaits you.